Mississippi fines limits practice test.
Question 1. How far away can a horn be heard?
100 feet. 300 feet. 200 feet. 500 feet.
Answer.
200 feet.
Question 2. Vehicles driven in Mississippi must be covered by an auto insurance policy that includes at least in property damage coverage.
$10,000. $5,000. $1,000. $15,000.
Answer.
$5,000.
Question 3. A Mississippi driver must provide proof of insurance at the time of an accident with days of the event.
10. 60. 3. 30.
Answer.
60.
Question 4. If the parent or other adult who signed an underage Mississippi driver's application withdraws his or her signature,
the license will be canceled. The driver must pay a fine. The license will be suspended for 1 year. The driver must find an alternate person to sign.
Answer.
The license will be canceled.
Question 5. A second DUI conviction will result in at least days in jail for Mississippi drivers who are over the age of 21.
10. 7. 3. 5.
Answer.
10.
Question 6. Will be added to the original suspension period if a Mississippi driver is convicted of driving while his or her license is suspended because of a DUI charge.
6 months. 180 days. 1 year. 30 days.
Answer.
6 months.
Question 7. What is the fine for a first DUI conviction for an underage driver in the state of Mississippi?
$250. $150. $200. $100.
Answer.
$250.
Question 8. Which of the following will require the Commissioner of Public Safety to revoke a Mississippi driver's license?
Conviction of any felony using a motor vehicle. Conviction of perjury. Failure to stop and render aid at an accident. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 9. The late fee for license renewal in the state of Mississippi is
$50. $5. $10. $1.
Answer.
$1.
Question 10. What is an acceptable back limit for Mississippi drivers who are under the age of 21?
0.02%. 0.08%. Less than 0.02%. 0.05%.
Answer.
Less than 0.02%.
Question 11. The maximum fine for a third or subsequent DUI conviction for a Mississippi driver who is over the age of 21 is
$1,000. $2,000. $2,500. $5,000.
Answer.
$5,000.
Question 12. Multiple DUI offenses must occur within years in the state of Mississippi.
3, 5, 10, 20.
Answer.
5.
Question 13. What is the maximum fine for a second DUI conviction for Mississippi drivers who are over the age of 21?
$250. $500. $1,000. $1,500.
Answer.
$1,000.
Question 14. If a Mississippi driver refuses to submit to chemical testing, his or her license will be confiscated immediately and he or she will be issued a temporary license valid for days.
45. 30. 10. 60.
Answer.
45.
Question 15. If a Mississippi driver chooses not to maintain auto insurance on his or her vehicle, he or she must maintain a certificate of deposit or securities worth at least
$15,000. $5,000. $10,000. $2,000.
Answer.
$15,000.
Question 16. The maximum fine for a littering conviction in the state of Mississippi is
$750. $500. $300. $250.
Answer.
$250.
Question 17. What is the standard legal back limit in the state of Mississippi?
0.07%. 0.10%. 0.08%. 0.09%.
Answer.
0.07%.
Question 18. Upon an underage Mississippi driver's first DUI offense, his or her license will be suspended for a period of days.
10. 60. 90. 30.
Answer.
90.
Question 19. How much is the license reinstatement fee in the state of Mississippi for charges that fall under the state's implied consent law or uniform controlled substances law?
$100. $200. $150. $250.
Answer.
$100.
Question 20. If a Mississippi driver is convicted of negligent operation of a vehicle that causes serious injury or death, he or she may spend up to years in jail.
25. 5. 10. 15.
Answer.
25.
Question 21. Mississippi drivers who are under the age of must renew their licenses every year.
17. 21. 18. 19.
Answer.
18.
Question 22. A Mississippi driver's license may be renewed up to in advance of its expiration date.
6 months. 30 days. 1 year. 60 days.
Answer.
6 months.
Question 23. The maximum jail sentence for a third or subsequent DUI for an adult Mississippi driver is years.
5. 3. 2. 4.
Answer.
5.
Question 24. The minimum fine for littering in the state of Mississippi is
$10. $40. $25. $50.
Answer.
$50.
Question 25. The minimum multiple bodily injury coverage is
$20,000. $15,000. $5,000. $10,000.
Answer.
$20,000.
Question 26. What is the minimum single bodily injury coverage amount required for Mississippi vehicles?
$10,000. $20,000. $15,000. $5,000.
Answer.
$10,000.
Question 27. The maximum fine for a second DUI conviction for a Mississippi driver who is under the age of 21 is
$250. $500. $1,000. $750.
Answer.
$500.
Question 28. Which of the following will make an accident report necessary?
A serious injury. Property damage of $500 or more. A fatality. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 29. If a Mississippi driver or passenger is found to have 1 gram or more of marijuana in his or her possession or such an amount is located somewhere in the vehicle, the driver may be sentenced to up to days in jail and a fine of up to
$91,000. $180,000. $500. 180, $1,000. 90, $500.
Answer.
90, $1,000.
Question 30. Per the state's zero-tolerance law, upon an underage Mississippi driver's third or subsequent DUI conviction, he or she will be required to pay a fine of
$1,000. $500. $2,000. $250.
Answer.
$1,000.
Question 31. The minimum age a Mississippi driver can do when applying for a standard driver's license is
16. 15.5. 18. 16.5.
Answer.
16.5.
Question 32. If a Mississippi driver is convicted of driving with back level of 0.08% or more, on his first offense she will face the following consequences.
A $250 fine. A 90-day license suspension. The driver will have to complete an alcohol safety education program. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 33. If a Mississippi driver's license was suspended because he or she wrote a bad check, the reinstatement fee is reduced to
$20. $10. $50. $75.
Answer.
$10.
Question 34. Mississippi drivers who are under the age of must supply documentation that they are enrolled in or have graduated from high school before applying for a driver's permit or license.
16. 18. 15. 17.
Answer.
18.
Question 35. Which of the following will allow the Commissioner of Public Safety to suspend a Mississippi driver's license?
If he or she is involved in a crash resulting in death. Frequent traffic convictions. Allowing fraudulent use of license. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 36. A Mississippi driver must maintain a temporary driver's permit before applying for a driver's license.
6 months. 1 year. 30 days. 9 months.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 37. Drivers who are under the age of must include a notarized parental signature on his or her permit or license application.
17. 18. 21. 19.
Answer.
17.
Question 38. A Mississippi driver whose license has been convicted of 3 DUI charges within a 5-year period will have his or her license revoked for years.
3, 5, 7, 1.
Answer:
5.
Question 39. The cost of having a Mississippi driver's license is per year:
$60, $5, $6, $50.
Answer:
$6.
Question 40. What is the minimum jail sentence for driving with the license suspended because of a DUI charge?
48 hours, 10 days, 7 days, 24 hours.
Answer:
48 hours.
Question 41. A third DUI conviction within 5 years will result in a suspension period of up to for a Mississippi driver who is under the age of 21.
2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 4 years.
Answer:
2 years.
Question 42. How long may a Mississippi driver remain in jail following his or her first DUI conviction?
24 hours, 48 hours, 7 days, 3 days.
Answer:
48 hours.
Question 43. Every driver who operates a vehicle on a Mississippi roadway is demonstrating his or her implied consent to
Submission to chemical testing for alcohol and drugs. Release of his or her medical records. Search of his or her home. None of these answers are correct.
Answer:
Submission to chemical testing for alcohol and drugs.
Question 44. Upon an underage Mississippi driver's second DUI offense, his or her license may be suspended for a period of
6 months, 30 days, 1 year, 2 years.
Answer:
1 year.
Question 45. A Mississippi driver may dial HP on their cell phone in the following situations:
To report a car accident. To report a traffic congestion. To report that someone is speeding. To report the road conditions.
Answer:
To report a car accident.
Question 46. A driver may be fined if a child under the age of is traveling in his or her vehicle without being seated in a proper child safety restraint system.
4, 5, 2, 3.
Answer:
4.
Question 47. Upon a Mississippi driver's first DUI conviction, his or her license may be suspended for
180 days. 60 days. 1 year. 90 days.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 48. Who is required by law to wear safety belts in the state of Mississippi?
Only backseat passengers. Anyone in the front seat, including the driver. The driver only. All motorists.
Answer.
Anyone in the front seat, including the driver.
Question 49. If a Mississippi driver is convicted of manslaughter using a motor vehicle, his or her license must be revoked for a period of
10 years. 5 years. 6 months. 1 year.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 50. Your Mississippi license will be suspended for the following offenses:
allowing a fraudulent use of your license, habitual reckless driving, multiple convictions of serious traffic violations. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.